Hi all, welcome to or welcome back to Oligo Models. Today we're starting a new build on the channel. We're going to be building the Mitsubishi A6M Zero Fighter from Agora Models. And so with pack 1 we're going to be starting on the propeller. So let's have a look and see what we've got in this issue. So here's everything as it comes from Agora. Let's actually open this up now and have a look at see what we've got. So here we have the whole propeller assembly inside there. We've got there's the nose cone in here. We've got the three actual prop blades. We've got some little pieces here which are used to make sure that the propellers are all in the correct alignment when they're put together. We're given a little screwdriver over here to use in the build. Not too sure if I'm going to be using this one. We've got some screws and we've got some other bits and pieces to get the prop assembly together. So with all of those pieces now, let's do it. So the first thing that we need to do is take this part here and looking at it just like on the inside, actually use this to point here, here and here. There's a couple of little slots. And we're going to need to take part number 8, I think it's labelled, that's got these 3 pins on the back here with the back on the centre, and these 3 pins need to go into those 3 little circles that we've just seen, and it should go in just like that. Now it does ask us to glue it in, so now that we know it fits, we're going to take a little bit of super glue. I'm going to put it in each of those holes. So I'm going to take a piece, making sure that we've got those pegs lined up, and we're going to slot it in. Like that. And then if we turn it over now, we can see, as per the diagram, that we can see the rear of that piece we've glued in come through the bottom of the hole there. The next piece that we need to take in this small gear or cog here, noticing that there's teeth on one side and not on the other. And we're going to slot it in over the middle with the teeth facing up. And that isn't going to get glued in. So with that part now out of the way, we're going to take our 3 blades for our prop and the 3 supports, and we're going to place each blade into a support, making sure that we've got the yellow line on the blade facing upwards. That's just going to sit in like so. And there we have it. Now with those done, we're going to bring that first piece we worked on back in. We're going to fit each of the blades for the propeller into the slots that we've got on each side. Like this. Obviously that isn't going to be glued into place, as these are able to move and they're going to move together by use of the gear that we put in before. So we're going to need to screw that into place. So we're then going to bring in this part here, and this is going to slot over what we've already done, just like that. So then with one screw out, we're going to place it in to the top and screw it down. We can remove these supports now. So with that now in place, the next thing that we need to do is we need to take this small part here. Again, noticing we've got 3 pins on this side here, and noticing on here that we've got 3 small holes. and it wants us to put this piece onto the top here into those holes, applying a little drop of super glue to make sure it's held in place. Then one of the last pieces on this little bit here we need to do is we've got a small pin here. Sorry, I want us to put a little bit of super glue onto the top, and then this piece here is going to sit on the top and it's pushed down like that. So the final thing that it wants us to do in this for this pack is we're going to take 3 of the screws. We're going to bring in the nose cone, and it wants us to place the nose cone over the top of what we've assembled, and then we've got 3 holes on the back where we're going to place this 1 screw into each hole. One, two, and 3. And there we go. That is this first stage done. We've got our propeller. And there we are. That's stage 1 from pack 1 all complete. Quite a nice easy way I thought to start off a brand new build. So if you liked the video, please make sure you leave a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed and you want to be kept up to date with all of my latest videos, make sure you click that subscribe button. Until next time, take care.